So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the week on our New Zealand EURGBP. So now, first of all, if you've not watched the analysis I did on Thursday and on Friday for you guys, you can go back to the channel to watch it. Now, to those of you that watch it, you should be able to see that our prediction was absolutely right. You should be able to confirm that our prediction was absolutely right. I told you guys clearly that markets will give us a bullish move from this level. And you can see on Thursday, markets give us a little bit of a bullish move. And now on Friday, markets eventually give us this good bullish move. So you can see that our prediction is absolutely right. So basically, once we predict any movement, market tends to move to that direction. So this is one of the reasons why if you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button so you will not miss out on more quality updates. Now, with what market is doing on this EURGBP, market is likely to continue to push up. So that is what we will be expecting on our EURGBP. We should expect EURGBP to continue to push up. What are we going to be expecting that movement? Now, let's take a look at our EURGBP. Let's take a look at our time frame on EURGBP. Let's start with the trend right here, guys. You can clearly see that this trend right here on our EURGBP is an uptrend. We are very much clearly trending to the upside. So market is very much bullish, right? Now take a look at this moment right here. Market was rallied up, right? Then a pullback was made that came to give us a multiple rejection at the zone, which made market to bounce up, right? Market eventually came back to this established level, which made it to bounce up and push up, right? Now market has now come back to retest this level right here. So now the market has retested this level, which we've now gotten a double bottom, right? So now that we've gotten this double bottom, markets eventually push up to break the neckline. Once it broke the neckline, market pulled back, and now it gave us another double bottom right here, which is now pushing up. So this is a bullish move, right? This is what EURGBP is giving us. EURGBP is now pushing up to give us that bullish move. So basically, we would expect market to continue to give us that movement. It is going to completely take out this high, form a new high. So guys, a bullish move, what we should be expecting on our EURGBP. To be expecting for more movement to the upside. That is what we should be expecting on our EURGBP. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So this is first rejection. This is also the second rejection. Market broke and push up to break this neckline right here. Market has now given us a pullback to test this neckline, right? Market has given us a pullback to test this neckline. Now market eventually push up one time, came back again to retest it, which is a double bottom right here. Market has come here to retest it, which is double bottom. Now market has eventually pushed up to break this neckline. Now with what market is doing, market is now giving us a pullback. So once market gives us the pullback finish, we should be expecting market to push up one more time. It is going to form a new high, thereby taking out this high. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our EURGBP. Now, could there be changes to this prediction that I just did? Absolutely yes. If in case there's going to be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.